Hi guys, today we're here at Fuse Service and I'm going to discuss with you a couple things which is really simple and you can do it yourself without even our help. But if you need some help, we can help you with your needs. So let's start. First thing I want to discuss with you problems related to HVAC system, to your heater, furnace, air conditioning system, whatever you have in your house. First thing, it is filter. And probably this is one of the most common service call for us when we don't have maintenance agreement with customer and they don't do regular maintenance for their system. They just bought a house or maybe they forgot about it. And one of the most common reasons for our technician visit house is a filter. And you can locate it really simple in your system. It might be next to the furnace or air handler, or it might be in the return grill inside your house. Both of them works really simple. First one, you just need to remove this cover and you need to check your filter. So if it looks dirty, not white, it looks gray, or it has some lint or maybe some hair, it might be the reason why your system doesn't work the way it used to work. Or maybe it doesn't work at all. So simple thing, which you can check yourself, but if you are not sure, we can help you with it. Second one is a filter in the return grill itself. We have many different styles and type of the return grill. This one is really simple. It has two small locks right here. You just remove this grill and filter is usually inside. In our case, it is not here because we have central filtration system, so we don't have it here, but it works the same way. Second place in our problem list is breaker, and why it is a problem and how you can solve it yourself. So let's say your air conditioner worked all day long, it's 100 degrees outside, and at the end of the day it just stopped working. Fan doesn't spin, you don't feel fresh air coming from the vents. So one of the most common problem, and it's the second place, it is tripped breaker. And what usually happens inside the breaker, we have a small thermal element which breaks electrical circuit. And when you open electrical panel, you might see one of the breaker in the middle position. So what it means this breaker is tripped. And if you know this breaker is responsible for your air conditioner, you might just reset it, turn it off, and turn it back on. But be careful, if you smell any weird smell or if you see some discoloration or maybe some burn marks, be careful with this breaker and then don't touch it yourself. So leave it for us, we will fix it for you. Second appliance we're going to talk today, it is your water heater. And water heaters, they also might have simple problems which do not require technician visit and which you can solve yourself. Here we have a heat pump water heater. And the problem you might have with this heat pump water heater, it is tripped breaker, which we just discussed, and you know how to fix it yourself. And second one, it is filter too. And you might be curious where's the filter, but they all have air filters as well. And it is one of the most common reasons why we visited our customers. So it is right here. It is, usually it's at the top, and it looks like this small, mesh. So what you need to do with it, you just need to remove it, clean it in a sink with fresh water, let it dry, and put it back. Really simple, yes. Second type of the water heater you might have in your house, it is a gas tank water heater. And one of the most common problem what we have with this gas tank water heater, it is a pilot light. In order to fix it yourself, or at least to try, you just need to work a little bit with this guy right here. It calls gas valve. It has instruction how to put the pilot light back to fire it on. If you don't know how to do it, please call us. If you want to try it yourself, you just need to do it this way. If you found your water heater doesn't have hot water anymore and your pilot light is off, and you can simply check it through this small glass right here. If you don't see any light, it means pilot is off. What do you need to do? You need to turn on this big knob to pilot lighting in position. Usually you will find your gas valve is in on. You just need to turn it to pilot, push it, and ignite. Several times, just to make sure. Keep pushing, maybe about 30-40 seconds, up to 1 minute. And then just release and turn this knob to on position. And set the temperature to the temperature you would like to have in your water heater. If you hear burning noise inside the water heater, it's usually pretty loud. It means water heater just ignited and it's going to work.